So the given question says that in the figure DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. We need to prove that BF upon FE equal to BE upon EC. For this we need to know the property of similar triangles. So we solve it further. We know that DE is parallel to AC. So by BPT with its basic proportionality theorem, we have BE by EC equal to BD by AD. We mark it as our equation 1. And similarly, through another parallel lines DF parallel to AC, we again apply the basic proportionality theorem and we get BF by FE equal to BD by AD. We mark it as equation 2. So what we can see is BD and AD are common in both the equations. So from 1 and 2, we can say that BE by EC equal to BF by FE. Then that's what needed to be proved and hence proved.